Today's gonna be a quick one. We might be able to fix the rough idle today. I got a brand new intake boot, I think it's called, because this one has a crack right there. And I mean, I tried to fix it with this, but who knows if that's actually working. So we are going to be replacing it. Alright, managed to get the old one off. That's where the crack is right there. Just gonna put in the new one. I'm not sure if this is OEM, but it looks really similar to the one that was in there, so shouldn't be a problem fitment wise. Thought I was recording, but obviously I wasn't. The new one's in. It was pretty much identical to OEM. I wasn't 100% sure if it was or not, but it's in, fits good, and now we'll see if the rough idle stops or not. Alright, I seriously doubt this will stop the rough idle, but it was cracked, so that could have been it, but I'm sure there's a million other things that it could be too. Different leaks, different hoses, who knows, but we'll see. Let's find out. Alright, so far, I mean, it's not the smoothest idle, but it's doing a lot better than what it normally does. And as soon as I say that, it dies. Are you kidding me? Alright, so that didn't fix it, but it might have made it a little bit better. Another thing it could be is the gasoline in it is probably really old, and I haven't put a whole lot of new gas in it, so I might go try to do that and kind of top it off, but I doubt that's it either. I just know it's going to be some other kind of vacuum leak somewhere else, so I'm just going to have to bring it to my mechanic and have him do the smoker test thingy, because he has that. And that'll tell us where the leak is. Hopefully it's nothing more than just a leak, and this engine is still pretty good, but we'll see. Alright, that video didn't go as planned, but I just wanted to shoot something about the E30, so I did that. It actually started running pretty good after I replaced the intake boot, and by pretty good I just mean a lot better than it has been running. So hopefully it kind of just gets back into the shape of things after I'm running it for a while. Maybe it's the old gasoline, who knows. But I do have a bunch of goodies here to replace the water pump, timing belt, all that good stuff, so that doesn't break on me and destroy the engine. I don't think I'll be doing it, just because it's a little out of my wheelhouse, but I do have a good mechanic, and he said he'd look into it and try to do it for a fair price. So yeah, that's just a little update. I got a lot more in mind coming. I'm trying to find wheels. If anyone knows a good fitment, good size for wheels and tires on the E30, let me know. I'm gonna be running Raceland coilovers. I have those ordered, so that'll be a fun video to film. And yeah, that's just another little update on the E30, and hopefully the next couple videos on this thing will be worth watching. And yeah, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.